My parents didn't believe me at first, and I actually had to show them a little bit of evidence of the actual competition. I feel a great sense of pride representing my country in NASA HERC, and I am truly grateful for this opportunity. My parents didn't believe me at first, and I actually had to show them a little bit of evidence of the actual competition. And after they saw the proof of the competition and how it's held, they were really proud of me and shocked to find that I was the only ninth grader in the entire team. I'm part of the STEM engagement team. My basic role is to make documents, research on ideas and materials for the rover, and create thoughtful flowcharts which will help my team prosper in the competition. It has helped me improve my research skills. I am a better communicator, and it has also truly increased my collaborative skills. Magical.